Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 1998 Ford F-150. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your power window regulator and motor assembly. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you need these parts or the tools that we used for your vehicle, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Pop the cover tab off behind the door handle. You should be able to do this with your fingers. Then inside there is an 8mm screw securing the door handle to the latch. We'll get that with an 8mm socket ratchet and extension. Now the trick here is do not remove this bolt all the way. Get it about halfway out until the handle's free and leave it. It'll stay in there. You don't have to worry about losing the bolt. Grab the sail panel, pop that off with your hand, and the upper trim at the rear as well just pops off by hand. Now normally there is a 7 or 8mm screw in both of these locations under those panels. Ours are obviously missing. Lift up and remove the window switch and unplug all 4 electrical connectors. And remove the panel from the truck. You can then lift up, lay your door panel back, unplug the marker light, and remove the panel from your truck. Mount your window about halfway up because you'll be able to access the 11mm nut through this opening next to the speaker behind the door handle. The other one will be in this opening here. We'll remove those with an 11mm socket and ratchet. You shouldn't need to remove them fully, you should just be able to loosen them. Oh no, you do need to. Once you've got those out, you can pull the window regulator forward. Make sure you keep a hand on the window. Lift the window to the full up position. And using painter's tape, tape the window up and out of your way. This bar here is part of the window regulator track, so you'll need to remove the 11mm nuts on either side. Drill out the 6 rivets securing the window regulator. Disconnect the window motor connector. You should now be able to pop out the window track and the motor. May be helpful to pop off the latch and latch rod for the door handle. Pull everything through. Here we have our old window motor that we removed from our vehicle and our new part from 1AAuto.com. As you can see, these parts are exactly the same with the same window guide, same regulator, 2-bolt track here, the same motor and the same geared tooth assembly, as well as the same 2-pin electrical connector. Now you can replace the regulators and motors individually. However, replacing the entire assembly is much quicker and easier because there's a little spring inside of here that can be pretty difficult to replace after you've taken everything all apart. so it's actually a lot easier and a lot safer to replace it as one assembly. So if your window regulator or motor has gone bad and you can't get your window up and down or it doesn't track straight, this new part from 1A Auto is going to go in direct fit, just like our original equipment, and fix you up right. Install your new window motor and regulator. There's actually a little alignment tab on there that you can set through the slot in the door, so you know everything's in place, even though you can't really see it that well. You'll need a heavy-duty rivet tool. These are available from 1A Auto along with the new window regulator rivets. Reconnect the connector for the window motor. Set up regulator track and reinstall the two 11mm nuts. Reconnect your latch rod. To do this, you'll want to pull all the slack out, but don't actually pull the latch. Set it in, click the safety back on. That all works nicely. We'll turn our key on. And run our regulator up to the right height. Untape your window. Again, be sure to keep a hand on this. Set the studs at the bottom of the window. Back into the track. And reinstall those two 11mm nuts as well. Ensure that your window operates correctly. If you have an auto feature, bring it up all the way, hold the button for 3 seconds, bring it down all the way, and hold the button for 3 seconds, and then up, and ours only has automatic down, but now it operates properly. Normally there's a series of clips that'll retain your harness against the door. Ours have been broken or missing, so we'll just feed the wiring for the switch up through the panel and reconnect our courtesy light into its socket. Line up the door lock. And all the pins in the door. And slide it back into place. There are also your 2 screws or pins in the corner here that you'll need to reinstall. Ours are missing. Reinstall the top panels by lining them up and snapping them into place. Reconnect all the switches in your panel. Line up the tabs and snap it back into place. Reinstall your door handle and line up the bolt with the hole. Reinstall it with your 8mm socket and ratchet. Reinstall a little plastic cover and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.